Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive deep into Steve Krug's Don't Make Me Think, a cornerstone of UX design, and see how its principles translate into practical code examples. This will be a comprehensive guide, so buckle up. Don't Make Me Think, the core philosophy. The central premise of the book is incredibly simple, yet profoundly impactful: make it obvious. Users shouldn't have to spend mental energy figuring out how to use a website or application. Everything should be intuitive, clear, and self-explanatory. Krug argues that every click, every decision a user makes adds cognitive friction, and the more friction, the higher the chance they'll abandon the site/app out of frustration. Key principles and concepts *. 1. Self-explanatory navigation *. Users should be able to understand the site's structure and how to get around at a glance. 2. Visual clarity *. Design should be simple, clean, and visually appealing, avoiding clutter and distractions. 3. Familiar conventions *. Use standard website conventions that users are already accustomed to, example logo in the upper left corner, links to the homepage, search bar at the top. Reinventing the wheel without a strong reason is generally a bad idea. 4. Minimizing clicks *. Reduce the number of steps required to accomplish a task. Shorter paths are better. 5. Testing and iteration *. Regularly test your designs with real users to identify usability issues and make improvements. 6. Satisficing instead of optimizing *. Users generally don't try to find the best way to do something. They'll choose the first reasonable option that works. This has important implications for labeling and information architecture. 7. Billboard design *. Every page should immediately answer key questions for the user. *. What is the site/page? *. What can I do here? *. Why should I be here/care? 8. Accessibility matters *. Design for users of all abilities. 2. Practical applications and code examples. Let's see how these principles manifest in actual code, using HTML, CSS, and some basic JavaScript. We'll cover various UI components and common usability scenarios. A. Clear navigation and information architecture. Principle * Navigation should be concise, descriptive, and easily scannable. Use clear labels and avoid jargon. Code example, HTML and CSS. Explanation Semantic HTML uses header, nav, main, footer for structural clarity, benefiting both users and search engines. Clear labels about, services, products, contact are straightforward and universally understood. Avoid cryptic or industry-specific terms unless your audience specifically understands them. Visual hierarchy *. The logo is prominent and clickable, linked to the homepage. Navigation links are clearly visible and spaced. CSS for visual clarity *. The CSS creates a clean, uncluttered layout with appropriate spacing and a hover effect for visual feedback. The flex layout on the header element ensures the logo and navigation are well aligned. Standard convention * logo in upper left linking to the homepage. Improvements, based on Don't Make Me Think. Breadcrumbs * for deeper pages, add breadcrumbs to show the user their current location within the site hierarchy. Example, home products, electronics, headphones. You are here highlighting * visually indicate the user's current page in the navigation, example a different background color or bold text. B. Effective use of visual cues. Principle * use visual cues, color, icons, spacing, font size, to guide the user's eye and highlight important information. Asterisk code example, CSS. Asterisk explanation asterisk. Asterisk color asterisk a light yellow/gold background signals importance without being overly aggressive. The border provides further definition. The heading has a darker color for greater contrast. Asterisk spacing asterisk padding and margins create visual separation, making the message stand out. Asterisk border radius asterisk rounded corners create a more inviting and approachable feel. Asterisk clear heading asterisk the heading special offer clearly conveys the message's purpose. Asterisk improvements, based on don't make me think. Asterisk icons asterisk use icons to visually reinforce the message. For example, a clock icon could emphasize the limited time offer. Asterisk contrast asterisk ensure sufficient color contrast between text and background for readability, especially for users with visual impairments. Use online tools to check contrast ratios, WCAG guidelines. Asterisk avoid overuse asterisk don't make everything important. Too many visual cues will create clutter and dilute their impact. C. Reducing clicks and friction. Asterisk principle asterisk streamline processes and reduce the number of steps required to complete a task. For example, use auto-completion in forms or allow users to save their preferences. Asterisk code example, JavaScript and HTML, simple form auto-completion. Asterisk explanation asterisk. Asterisk data list and autocomplete asterisk the data list element provides a list of suggested values for the city input. The autocomplete equals off attribute is initially set to off to enable the JavaScript auto-completion functionality. Asterisk JavaScript for dynamic suggestions asterisk the JavaScript code listens for input changes in the city field. It filters the city's array to find matches and dynamically adds option elements to the city list data list. Asterisk reducing typing asterisk the user only needs to type a few characters before seeing relevant suggestions, significantly reducing typing effort. Asterisk preventing full page load asterisk the event.prevent default call prevents the default form submission behavior, which would typically cause a full page reload. Asterisk improvements, based on don't make me think. Asterisk backend integration asterisk in a real-world application, the city list would likely come from a database or API, rather than being hard-coded in the JavaScript. Asterisk debouncing asterisk for larger data sets, implement debouncing to prevent the auto-completion function from firing on every keystroke. This will improve performance. Asterisk error handling asterisk provide clear error messages if the user enters an invalid city. D. Billboard design, making pages instantly understandable. Asterisk principle asterisk every page should immediately communicate its purpose and value to the user. Answer these questions at a glance. Asterisk what is the site/page? Asterisk what can I do here? Asterisk why should I be here/care? Asterisk code example, HTML. Asterisk explanation asterisk. Asterisk title tag asterisk the title tag clearly describes the site, online bookstore, buy books online. This appears in the browser tab and search engine results. Asterisk hero section asterisk the hero section is the first thing the user sees. Asterisk headline asterisk find your next adventure, intriguing and relatable. Asterisk value proposition asterisk browse our wide selection of books and discover new worlds, briefly explains what the site offers. Asterisk call to action asterisk explore genres, a clear and direct way for the user to get started. Asterisk navigation asterisk the navigation provides quick access to key sections of the site, genres, new releases, bestsellers. The search bar allows users to find specific books. Asterisk visual hierarchy. Asterisk the headline is larger and more prominent than the paragraph text. The CTA button is visually distinct. Asterisk improvements, based on Don't Make Me Think. Asterisk high quality images. Asterisk use compelling images of books or authors to further enhance the visual appeal and communicate the site's purpose. Asterisk social proof. Asterisk include customer reviews or testimonials to build trust and credibility. Error prevention and recovery. Asterisk principle. Asterisk minimize user errors by providing clear input constraints, validation, and helpful error messages. Users should be able to easily recover from mistakes. Asterisk code example, JavaScript and HTML, form validation. Asterisk explanation. Asterisk required attributes. Asterisk the required attribute on the input fields prevents the form from being submitted if the fields are empty. Asterisk min length attribute. Asterisk the min length attribute on the password input enforces a minimum password length. Asterisk JavaScript validation. Asterisk the JavaScript code intercepts the form submission. It checks each field for validity and displays error messages if any issues are found. Asterisk event.prevent default. Asterisk if errors are detected, event.prevent default prevents the form from submitting. Asterisk clear error messages. Asterisk the error messages are specific and helpful. Example name is required, invalid email address, password must be at least 8 characters long. Asterisk visual styling. Asterisk the .error class styles the error messages in red to make them visually prominent. Asterisk improvements, based on Don't Make Me Think. Asterisk real-time validation. Asterisk perform validation as the user types, providing immediate feedback rather than waiting until the form is submitted. Asterisk inline validation. Asterisk display error messages directly next to the corresponding input fields. Asterisk accessibility. Asterisk ensure that error messages are accessible to users with screen readers, example using ARIA attributes. Asterisk forgiving input. Asterisk try to be forgiving with input. For example, automatically trim witty space from input fields. 3. Testing and iteration. Don't Make Me Think strongly advocates for usability testing. Here's how to put it into practice. Asterisk guerrilla testing. Asterisk the book emphasizes quick, informal testing with just a few users, example 5 to 6 people. This is often called guerrilla testing because it's low budget and easy to do. Asterisk task-based testing. Asterisk give users specific tasks to perform on your website or application, example find the product X and add it to your cart. Asterisk observe and listen. Asterisk watch how users interact with your design. Pay attention to their struggles, frustrations, and moments of confusion. Ask them to think aloud while they're using the site. Asterisk iterate. Asterisk use the insights from your testing to make improvements to your design. Then, test again. This is an iterative process. Example usability testing scenario. Asterisk 1. Recruit participants. Asterisk find a few people who are representative of your target audience. 2. Prepare tasks. Asterisk create a list of common tasks that users might want to perform on your website. 3. Set up the test environment. Asterisk use a computer or device that is similar to what your target audience uses. 4. Observe and record. Asterisk watch how users interact with your website as they attempt to complete the tasks. Take notes on any problems they encounter. You can use screen recording software to capture the session. 5. Analyze the results. Asterisk review your notes and recordings to identify common usability issues. 6. Make improvements. Asterisk implement changes to your website based on your findings. 7. Repeat. Asterisk test your updated website with new participants to ensure that the changes have improved usability. Tools for usability testing. Asterisk screen recording software. Asterisk Loom, QuickTime, Mac, OBS Studio. Asterisk remote usability testing platforms asterisk usertesting.com, Maze, look back. Asterisk analytics tools asterisk Google Analytics, to track user behavior. Asterisk heat maps asterisk crazy egg, hotjar, to visualize where users click and scroll. 4. Accessibility considerations. Accessibility is a core component of good UX. Here's how to make your designs more inclusive. Asterisk semantic HTML asterisk use appropriate HTML elements, example NAV, article, aside, main, to structure your content. This helps screen readers understand the page layout. Asterisk ARIA attributes asterisk use ARIA, accessible rich internet applications, attributes to provide additional information to assistive technologies. For example, asterisk ARIA label, provides a text label for an element. Asterisk ARIA describe EDB, associates an element with descriptive text. Asterisk ARIA hidden, hides an element from assistive technologies. Asterisk color contrast asterisk ensure sufficient color contrast between text and background. Use online tools to check contrast ratios. Asterisk keyboard navigation asterisk make sure that all interactive elements can be accessed and used with a keyboard. Pay attention to focus order. Asterisk alt text for images asterisk provide descriptive alt text for all images. This allows screen readers to convey the image's content to visually impaired users. Asterisk form labels asterisk associate form labels with their corresponding input fields using the label element and the for attribute. Asterisk headings asterisk use headings, H1 to H6, to create a logical document structure. Asterisk WCAG, Web Content Accessibility Guidelines follow the WCAG guidelines to ensure that your website is accessible to a wide range of users with disabilities. Code example, accessibility, alt text and labels. V. Common mistakes and pitfalls. Asterisk clutter and information overload asterisk too much information can overwhelm users. Prioritize content and use witty space effectively. Asterisk inconsistent design asterisk maintain a consistent visual style and user interface across your entire website or application. Asterisk ignoring conventions asterisk breaking established conventions can confuse users. Stick to standard patterns unless you have a very good reason to deviate. Asterisk lack of mobile optimization asterisk ensure that your website is responsive and works well on all devices, desktops, tablets, smartphones. Asterisk poor error handling asterisk provide clear and helpful error messages when things go wrong. Don't leave users guessing. Asterisk assuming users think like you asterisk don't assume that users will understand your design choices. Test with real users to get objective feedback. Asterisk skipping testing asterisk the most crucial mistake. Neglecting usability testing leads to designs that are difficult to use, regardless of how aesthetically pleasing they may be. 6. Conclusion. Don't Make Me Think is not just a book of rules, it's a mindset. By embracing simplicity, clarity, and user-centered design, you can create websites and applications that are a pleasure to use. Remember to test your assumptions, iterate on your designs, and always strive to reduce cognitive friction. The best UX is often the one the user doesn't even notice, because it's so intuitive and seamless. Good luck.